Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Sonic Racing CrossWorlds error code 122D3. The error reads, Network error. A communication error has occurred. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes before an online race. According to our research, this error is likely caused by network issues or graphics settings that may be putting strain on the game during online play. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to shut down the game and then power cycle your gaming device along with the network. Then simply turn off your gaming device and router. Then disconnect them from the power source and wait for around 5 minutes and then power them back on. After that, launch the game and check for the error. If the error still comes, check if you need to update the game. If there is an update available, install it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, lower the game's settings such as shadows and reflections. Once done, check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, try turning off the anti-aliasing or lowering it to a less demanding type. Also, consider turning off VSync. After making these changes, check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot network and see if the error still comes. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.